Here I have KYOCERA Torque, and let me show you how to enter recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. This is the power button. Keep holding power, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. So now let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as KYOCERA logo pops up on the screen. This is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can, for example, accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You can also wipe cache partition. If you would like to quit this mode, let's highlight the first option, which is Reboot System Now, and press power key to confirm it. So let me do it, and right now the KYOCERA Torque is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be done. Alright, as you can see, the home screen pops up. You can unlock the device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.